See how
Uber on the way. What's up, lovelies? This is Lovely Prima. I'm here today to show you how to get a bomb twist out using only Eco Styler. I've already pre-detangled my hair before the video. All I used was Shea Moisture's curling souffle and my Jamaican black castor oil. So not many products, not too heavy. So I'm gonna jump straight into it. Alright, so I'm almost finished with the front. I'm gonna come back when I'm starting on my back just to cut down on time. So see you guys in a minute. All right, y'all, so I'm finished with the front of it. So all I did was just twist it down, straight down. And you're probably wondering why I didn't use my comb. The only reason I didn't use my comb is because I didn't want my parts to be defined, too defined. Because you know, when you do natural styles and when your parts are too defined, your twist out won't come out as great as it could have, because you always gonna have like that line in between, like when you're trying to make it big and voluminous. I think that's the word. You know, big and nice and curly and fluffy. But you don't want to have those, like, the lines of demarcation in it. Like, you don't want to see this. Like, when your curls coming out and popping, like, no, that's ugly. Now, on to the back of my head. All I'm gonna do is the same exact thing. No comb. Just gonna spray a little bit of water and conditioner mixed together in this bottle. Just a little, and then continue using my Eco Styler gel, and then you're finished. All right, so back into it. Okay, y'all, so I know it may look like I'm being super rough with my comb, but I'm really not. I just have thick hair, so, you know, I just know how to get through my hair. It doesn't hurt at all. It's just thick, so I'm trying to make sure it's detangled as it can be, because you don't want any clumps and bumps in your twist, so you need to make sure you detangle it as best as you can. That's it. Back to twisting. So I'm all finished, and it literally only took me like 25 to 30 minutes to do this, but of course I did wash my hair, deep condition, and what else did I do? Okay, I did wash my hair, deep condition it, and I did moisturize it before starting to record. So that cut down on a little time. But here's the final product. of twisting it out. The reason I did them a little smaller than the bigger ones, than a chunky twist, was because the chunkier ones take a little longer to dry. My hair literally takes overnight to dry. So this should take a little less time. It's like probably like 8 in the front and then probably like 6 in the back. So how much is that? 15. Yeah, so I have like 15 or 16 twists in my head. And like I said, it only took 25 to 30 minutes. It didn't take long at all. So this is the final product. Come on. This is the final product. So come on, Leah. Leah, come on. Okay, give me a second. This is the final product. So I'll come back when it's dry and I do the takedown. So see you later.
Earl on the beat. Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass.
Just tell her. See, I've been